and I have a treat in store for you. Probably one of the most important things that happened to the OSMO Pocket. And here it is right here. It is a product by Comica. Comica is an accessory company that makes all kinds of great camera accessories like wireless systems, microphone systems, those kinds of things, transmitters. And this is one specifically designed for the OSMO Pocket. This cardioid microphone is designed for the OSMO Pocket to improve its sound. Now, I'm not too unimpressed with the sound that OSMO has, but I'd like to make it a little bit better. So this right here is the adapter. Now you can see this is an aftermarket adapter, and I've already tested this adapter, and yes, it works. So I paid $15 for this. Check the description below. I will show you where to find this thing. Save yourself 40 bucks. Buy the $15 one. Yes, it works. It is verified. When you turn your Osmo on, it says the audio adapter is functional. So that's the important key. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Let's get this thing out of the box. Yes. So, Comica CVM-MT06 XY stereo mic for the OSMO Pocket. So we'll open this puppy up. So here we go. See what we've got. Now, of course, we can see through it. So here it is. Here is the mic, and looks like we've got a filter right there. So there's a filter muff. We've got a warranty card that we can fill out. Here's our user manual, nice and small, fits right in the box. Let's go ahead and put that in there, put that back in the box. And here we go, here's the microphone. Let's go ahead and open it up now. Look at how small, you know the OSMO Pocket's small, and the microphone, look at how tiny it is. So let's go ahead and open that up. There we go. And here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, this is metal. This whole part is metal. This is metal here. And it is a substantial microphone. This puppy is, this is the real deal. This is not a cheap microphone. Let's go ahead. Now this unscrews. Let's see what we got in here. That's a quarter inch adapter. So this end of the microphone can be connected to a cold shoe adapter. So this thing can pretty much be mounted on anything. You do not need to use this this part. This allows you to mount it directly to the OSMO Pocket, and we will be doing that right now. But yeah, so this thing can be mounted in many ways. Very impressive. Go ahead and put that together. But this thing is substantial. This is definitely built well. Now this has got an X and a Y mic, so it's stereo. Okay, so there's our stereo connector, and this connector will separate right there, and this can be basically mounted on the outside of your Osmo. So it'll slide right in there, right at the very bottom right there. We've of course got to leave room for those buttons right there. And shut that up. And we'll shut that off there, and there it is. There's our mic. Now this thing can be angled and adjusted. So very nice. Now to connect it, we have to have the bottom exposed. So here is our mini connector, our USBC connector. That'll go inside of there. We'll pull out some of that cable, and it plugs in just like that. So there it is. There's our microphone system. Let's go ahead and power this thing on, and we'll get and it says controller, wheel, and audio adapter connected. You can see that. So that verifies the fact that the device is fully active. So I will get the full effect of the stereo mic. Now, probably the only problem I would say is, you know, how do you connect this now to a selfie stick? Now you can carry it just like this, but I actually have a selfie stick mount that I can slip on there. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to disconnect the audio jack. I'm going to slide it onto my selfie stick just like that. Now this is my Franken selfie stick because this was completely made out of parts from GoPros, and I'm going to connect it right there. So there we go. So now I have a complete vlog. Let me go ahead and show it here. I have a complete vlogging rig with external sound. Isn't that freaking cool? This is what we all wanted. This is what we wanted. We wanted to have an external sound source connected to the Osmo, and we have that. This one also I've got set up so I can also connect my phone up if I want to connect my phone to that and I want to have a phone adapter snugly, but I really don't need it. With the sound, I've got pretty much everything set up. So I can go ahead and, there we go, tilt lock, FPV, follow. Let's flip it over there. So now I've got my face locked in, and I am now able to record full stereo. There we go, full stereo sound. Pretty nice. Guys, this is the Comica unboxing of their stereo mic. Now this thing, once again, I do not have to have it attached to here. I can put, I can use my other connecting devices. For example, I can go ahead and use the included accessory here, and I can mount this on. I can use the phone. Adapter, and I can set it up that way and connect this to the cold shoe. So there's a lot of options. So here it is, the unboxing. This right here is the phone mount. So let's go ahead and take that out of here. There we go. Now she's on. I made it look hard. It's not hard. There we go. There we go. Now we've got sound right there. So there's our sound filter, pop filter there. So we don't get. Now we can get our full vlogging distance and complete stereo sound. Very awesome. So Comica. Since 2012, this company has been making sound accessories for camera systems. So for Dad Random and Comica, the 180-degree all metal cordioid microphone. It has a 3.5mm jack. And of course, you have to purchase your own mic adapter. I will drop a the location where I got this for $15, and yes, it does function. I have tested it, and I have verified sound evidence and proof. So, guys, I am coming back to you the next segment, and we're going to go ahead and do some sound tests with this thing, so you can see this thing in action. But there it is. But this is what you get right here. You get the microphone. Of course, you get the cord that connects the 3.5mm jack. You get the 1/4-20 screw mount and the square mount for your Osmo. That comes right with it. You'll have to purchase this separately for another $15. But yes, the aftermarket adapters now work. You can get this thing for as low as $15. This is a knockoff, and yes, it does work. It is verified, and it does work. If you want to spend $60 to make sure that your product is DJI approved, you're welcome to do that. But there is the Comica XY stereo mic, motion microphone for Osmo Pocket, pro audio equipment. Comica has been making pro audio equipment since 2012. They are out of Shenzhen, China. And yes, I do trust this product. It is made well. It is solid. This thing is all metal build. It is not cheap. There's nothing cheap about it. And I will give you some audio samples and it will prove that this thing is the real deal. Hey, this is Dad Random, and the following is a sound sample using the external microphone on the OSMO Pocket. So this is a sound sample using the external microphone on the OSMO Pocket. The following is a sound sample for the OSMO Pocket without an external microphone source. So this is a sound sample for a OSMO Pocket, no external sound, external mic by Comica. This is a vlogging test for the external microphone by Comica. This is a vlogging test for the external mic by Comica. This is a vlogging test. This is a moving vlogging test for the external mic by Comica. This is a vlogging test for the OSMO Pocket for the Comica external microphone system. This is a vlogging test for the OSMO Pocket and the external microphone system by Comica. This is a native soundbite from the OSMO Pocket. Native soundbite for the OSMO Pocket. Native soundbite for the OSMO Pocket. External mic by Comica. This is a vlogging test for the external microphone by Comica. This is a vlogging test for the external mic by Comica. This is a vlogging test. This is a moving vlogging test for the external mic by Comica. CVM-MT06 mini microphone stereo for the OSMO Pocket for Dad Random. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Check out the audio samples. Yes, for Comica. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. You made my OSMO way better. You're gonna make my vlogs awesome, and it's because of you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and bye. Yes.